Hi, how are you? So green. So I thought I would do a video styling green pieces because green is one of two colors that I associate with this time of year, and that's as close to Christmas content as I'm gonna get this year. So let's get into it. Our first piece is this. I should really iron this. Oh my goodness. Am I going to? No, but I should. Anyways, our first piece is this green double-breasted jacket. I like it because it reminds me of a trench coat, and I wish it was a trench coat because I would really like a long green trench coat. But it's not a trench coat. Trench coat, trench coat, trench coat. So, you know those Saks pots? Goodness, am I saying that? I don't know if I say anything correctly, quite frankly. I should iron this. So I don't have one of those Saks pots trenches. What I do have is this thing and this faux fur collar. Yay! Dun, 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 dun. With that, I have these tie-dye pants. These green tie-dye pants. I think it'll look nice. Thinking about these. So we got those on. On my wrist, I'm gonna put some colorful jewelry. Oh goodness, having a tad bit of difficulty putting these on. Okay, there we go. Got it on. Got it on. Our Liz Claiborne bag. It's like all my clothes need an iron. Green item number 2 is this vest-like situation. So I have this Lacoste shirt. I'm wearing the same white shirt underneath. So it's pretty shapeless. And then it has this huge slit in the side. I want to wear these blue jeans. I'm gonna go do that now. Got the pants on. I have this necklace. Changing the earrings. I'm changing the earrings. One on. Two on. And the shoes. I think I'm just gonna wear these. One on. So I have these camel pants. And yep, camel belt. Okay. My collar. Voila. Shoes. So it's either my dogs or these again. I think I'm gonna go for these. I like the height. Next, this green vest. So I really want a pair of all white outfit with it because that's what I want to do. So I have this dress. Underneath it, I want to put this lace piece. White stockings. I'm thinking these. Got a bit distracted. So I wore the green vest over the white dress. Didn't like it. Then I decided to try and put this color over it to see if it would make it better. Didn't work. And since I was already wearing it, I decided to just try and make it work, even if it wasn't with a green piece. But we'll get back on track now. Our next green item is another vest. So since it already has black in it, I thought I would do an all black look. Didn't like the button up underneath it. It's an all black outfit with a dash of color. I think I'm gonna put on these plain black pants instead. Added a hat. I don't know how I feel about it. Voiceover. Our next item is this lime green sweater with a blue and white detailing around the neckline. Working with the color scheme, I decided to pair it with this skirt. So I made the decision to wear these pieces with a white turtleneck and white tights. I picked these blue boots, which I painted. Unfortunately not with leather paints. Yes, they are cracking, but hear me out. Texture. And last but not least, I paired it with the blue bag. Here are some more green pieces that I have styled over on my Instagram. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, check out my other social media platforms, and all that good stuff that helps support creators on this platform. Until next time.
Bye, have a great time.